I'll show you how to make quick and easy pockets for bomber jackets that you often see on the sleeves. First, take two squares facing and lining and sew it right side on right side. Same with the lining. After you've sewn it on, you can flip it around, iron it, give it a top stitch. Now we're coming to the small pocket, just flip it 2 times, iron it and give it a top stitch. Now you mark the top and bottom portion in the middle. In my case that was 4 centimeters. Then you make sure the placing on the main pocket is correct. Make your markings. Subtract 1 centimeter to give it a little space for fitting stuff in. Then you sew it onto it. Don't forget the space. When you're done, just flip it around and press the edges. My advice is to start with the longer edges and then go for the short ones. And then you're done. Everything works perfectly. Now you're ready to attach it